Motivation Monday, and these days, we have more ways to communicate than at any other point in history. Despite that, many people feel disconnected still. Leadership trainer, author, and TEDx speaker Pete Blank joins us now to motivate you to change that. Good to see you this morning.
Thanks for dropping the TEDx speaker in there today.
If you want to credit to my producer, Angel.
Nice job, Angel, because I did do a TEDx on this topic about this time last year. It's on YouTube if you want to go watch. It's about 12 minutes long.
Well, I got to be honest, on a personal level, it's applicable to me. I recently lost somebody as an old friend, and it's difficult to learn that. And sometimes you don't stay connected like you should.
Yeah, and you don't think about it till events like that happen, and you think you should. So I got this sort of 3-step framework that's pretty simple that all of us can do. Okay. And the first thing is just to make the call. And when I say make the call, I mean make the phone call.
Don't text.
Do not text, call somebody. Who is out there right now that you're like, I haven't talked to in a while? And I know we all say, I'm too busy. I'm too busy to call because it might become a 10-minute conversation. So what? The only reason you're calling is to try to reconnect and say, let's see if we can get together for some type of coffee or breakfast, because everybody can make time for a quick coffee or a breakfast or a lunch, but just see if you can use the phone version instead of texting or emailing.
But on the subject of food, we in the South, we do love to eat.
We do love to eat.
And that's an opportunity, right?
And it gets awkward for people because they're like, well, I haven't seen you in so long. What are we going to talk about? But I want to reconnect with you. Hey, Starbucks for 30 minutes or your local coffee shop or somewhere like that. Or if you want to do a lunch, go ahead and create a lunch thing. But there's something about, and you know this in the South, there's something about eating over a meal that slows us down and makes us a little more vulnerable, makes us a little more easy to talk about stuff when we're sharing a matcha, if you will, or something like that.
And the other thing is that there really can't be a one and done.
No, and that's where a lot of us end up failing this, and that was part of my talk, was we have the good conversation. You and I go to lunch, and then we say, we should do this again sometime. And you go, yeah, we should. And we never do. We never do. So what you have to do is you've got to make the plan right then. Hey, let's get our phones out. Hey, let's get our calendars out. Hey, how about 1 month from today? Can you do Wednesday? And at least once you get it on the calendar, it's easy to remember it as opposed to, hey, I'll get in touch with you. Because again, the human connections, they're needed now more than ever. And like you said, when you lose somebody or a family member gets sick, it really reinforces, I should reconnect with people who are important to me. I think we need to do more of that.
It's cliche, but life is short.
Amen.
And so you should make those opportunities and take advantage of those opportunities when you get them.
When you get them.
All right, Pete Blank, Great Motivation Monday. Thank you.
Thanks, buddy.